Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. If you are new to my channel, my name it is John. I am from Romania and I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Before I start talking about the strategy that I am about to share with you, I want to tell you that I am posting weekly videos in this topic. And before I start show you the strategy from today, I want to tell you, if you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful. You can help me with a like, and the algorithm of YouTube will show this video to some other people. Comment down below if you start make some money on the internet or not. You can consider subscribing with a bell notification on so I can alert you whenever I bring another value video to you. So let's get into the video and let me show you everything you need to know. First of all, go to dgstore24.com, and for those who do not know what dgstore24.com is, this platform is just like clickbank.com, but this one is worldwide. You need to create a free account here, and after that click on the marketplace and all offers for affiliates. Here on the left side you have all the different type of product. We are focusing today on internet marketing and e-business, and I will show you how to combine this affiliate link with Google to make money every single day. Type in the search bar Super Affiliate System 2020. This is a product created by one of the best YouTuber from my niche, which is make money online. It is not that hard to sell this product because you send your traffic to a free training. And from there John Crestani is going to do everything from here. Click on the sale page and see what you are going to promote. The people you send here, they register to a free training, and after that John is going to sell different product and you will get the commission. Now click on promote button and get your affiliate link and save it to have it. Go to bit.ly.com and short your URL. You can customize the link if you want here. Now you need to go to Google and search for blogs in make money online niche or work from home. You can open, for example, this list of blogs. Open every blog post and go to comment section. But before you do that, you just need to have a Gmail account related to make money online. Go to setting and holiday responder and create a nice message. This message will be sent by Google to everyone that send you a mail. In the blog post you need to leave your Gmail and say something like, if you want to see a 100% sure methods to make money, email me. And in the autoresponder you need to have that shorter link from Bitly. You can go to Google Alert and Google will mail you whenever new blog post from your niche is online on Google. This is all for today. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that like button and comment down below what do you think about this strategy. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, work_smart not hard.